All right, your mama kwa bede by Emadek TV so nyame show bibi a ohwe Emadek TV. Enne ensem ba ko mienu bi a ekọ so e wo Sunyani ene ne mantem ne pese yedi ho enkomo kakra. Eye nura na mehu se Sunyani Coronation Park videos bi circulate na ye nyina yenim se ana obi a ofri Bono ene Ahafo region mantem bi yenim se Sunyani Coronation Park has been one of the most important places majority of the people are much more developed through football e wo Sunyani Coronation and anse Sunyani ne mantem no se one first Sunyani Coronation Park antumi amobo ho dia ene na enye Sunyani ene etetew enti no Sunyani Coronation Park eye baabi a eda Sunyanefo akoma so ye pa even udu Sunyani a otumu se park na nkasa no eda Sunyani krumu aye the central of the hot the city and answer the center of the city. But it's rather unfortunate say videos are circulating pictures circulating say Sunyani Coronation Park atete apansan aye basakra yenhunu the people in charge was omo hwe ma Sunyani Coronation Park eye na videos na yenhunu bi elegu screen so na mo hwe no ho pictures no so aba no pictures ni bi na etwa gu ya mo hwe uye Sunyani abrante ananse uye Sunyani abaya wabobo Sunyani Coronation Park da uye obi a uye stakeholder bi ananse uwe influence bi era obetun ayi bibi afa Sunyani Coronation Park e de na video ya ebe etwa se wonso obehwe bi because se ye tena ho ne ejia ma Sunyani Coronation Park etete na ese kra na I think say e be affected the entire city and even Ghana football. Majority of Ghanaian footballers are motumi abobo ewe brochire ananse motumi abo blasters. Majority of them no etumi abobo ewe Sunyani Coronation Park. Obi ti say Ajimambadu ene former blaster coach a your friend say Akwasi AFIA. Omo nyina eye nkofo a omotumi abobo ewe Sunyani Coronation Park da. And even because of say BA United ene Bofakwa United ewo league ni muntina ananse na those days no more league ni. Things be to say kotokone king face and house of folk na etimi eba me kaipa the year 2003 that time no ajiman dana hindua okay nana hindua kodoko more nana hindua time any tikotiko omunyina etimi eba ho Joe 100 omunyina etimi eba ho any BA United ebe ball pa ewo ho ema mekura me ko park ekokohwe bi but ene Sunyani Coronation Park atete apansan menkwa mentimi nye discussion nem mensa aka one of the vocal people in the sports industry, the entertainment industry, the political industry, was Sunyani, and in the mantem a name and any baba komo. Edina man for the name popularly no AFIA KOFI, so with the fufu be what the name. And ne ono na mene baba komo ewo saa asem we hu. AFIA KOFI mpacho memo akwa ba de by Emadek TV so.
Menu amejo ne watiefo nyina so.
All right. AFIA KOFI media baby am we sisi ano about almost 3 p.m. Area. Minim baby a wo mesro I hope say baby a wo bia eboko.
Nyame na dom, menso nyame na dom about 2:08 ha in the afternoon.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. AFIA KOFI Ghana fo nyina 8 yo. Any Sunyani ne mantem nyina 8 yo. Me pacho Sunyani Coronation Park videos bi ababontene a etwa gu a me gidi say wahu bi. Na before ansa na ye bedin kan akọ deep into the issue of Sunyani Coronation Park. Pese bibisa o. Woni abakwasem kakra efa Sunyani Coronation Park ho ana.
Meda seminia ansana me going to any other matter no. Sunyani Coronation Park has been the center of Sunyani. Obi obekasa onim Sunyani bia no. Sunyani Coronation Park was the center of Sunyani. That is just around Kinyaman 4, around area 4. That's okay. Welcome.
Okay.
Minyini Sunyani nti minyini no sene Sunyani Coronation Park baby e wono ehwa na ewo.
Okay.
I think say agudi bi brain akoso ho no ma mia mahwebi. Me ankasa ma participating in several events. Some na 6 March cry ye kono Coronation Park.
Okay.
Some years ago, somewhere 92, 93 thereabout. And I think since Sunyani Coronation Park they are serve the public to a very large extent. Yenyam fasodi bebre frima meka say yebeko so anyam fasodi afri Sunyani Coronation Park.
All right. Enti as an individual and also obi a once what me benefit e wo Sunyani Coronation Park na enura video we started say e course no. O take ne saying how did you feel?
First of all, meka say I'm trying and your problem as a nation,
Okay.
which is the maintenance culture of Ghanaians, very poor. You need that mindset and say idea ye no I was say your no copim say
Okay.
yeah because ye giant use. Fast forward, Sunyani Coronation Park, a place here. There several events. And yeah, Bob on Kwa, send me kind first na yo komachi over. Me said there was recent time here VGME ebe nominee jam.
Okay.
Mobile no Sunyani Coronation Park. Yeah, hosted several music events. Stoneboy Mo, everybody but Sunyani, it was done in Sunyani Coronation Park.
Yeah.
Churches correct me koyo programs so it is a very big place. Kamihuni said we should focus on developing it.
Okay.
Na Kaibinyam Fasugibi Brefrim, but what I've realized and say it has only been a place Yajano Seni Etiana.
Okay.
So Ubi Ebe casting any back to 10 years ago. Sunyani Coronation Park in changes.
All right.
You at the Fufrobia Abeka Hawaii Beka say Sunyani Coronation Park Akonenim. Do we maintain the place? Yes, so Beka say some years ago now you need premiership.
Okay.
But I don't see say premiership should be the only thing Ebema develop Sunyani Coronation Park.
Okay.
Send me no.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of events
Okay.
And say you premiership
okay.
And non say I was here but unfortunately
okay.
that has been the situation. In fact, what has happened to the place.
Okay.
Say a castle Sunyani Coronation Park in here and yeah as see a beka the state very bad.
Very bad. If you go for Sunyani Coronation Park state very bad. What do you can say be say Ghana for no your problem in terms of maintenance culture? Me person me bisa say so we hear no free wa. Do you think say maintenance culture no nipa anyema bi ne nsusuye ne mmere bi na tumi bo ama maintenance culture no ekoso? Do you think say enkofo bi adi ehwamo ananso omo failure as people bi na womo na contribute to that situation ya ekosi?
First of all, make us say you once I hear nipa idie you nipa ma nipa bi mu omo daya no.
Okay.
Omo na ye you omo say ye mpanyimfo. Enti once bibi ewo honom no aye yi mpanyimfo say omo hwe so no. Omo na ye di yere ahwe omo mu. Nti say ade no nkoyi I think say we have every cause to blame them.
Yeah.
In the sense say over region uma your member of parliament, our representative in parliament.
All right.
Some years back, 2008, Mekai said the government of that day,
okay.
A year, stadia, Ghana places be brave. Nyabi. And no interest yenya no never say ye out of the whole scene. Yeah. At least enka or more building new ones, nanko more the so called renovation.
Okay.
Yenya member of parliament mananko fight that course na my
okay.
Which was unfortunate. Coming down with the governance system, yes, our regional ministers or my and in or more that's what so.
Yeah.
Our money representing the government or the president in our region.
Yeah.
And he say your problem like Coronation Park and then Yamiada my premiership. That's turnover for aqua. And he say you need Parker a boy in Kuransha Park this ana. I think say Enka regional minister want the right to also tell the government say this is what is happening in my region. Football sika and sika of football mo pa anti se baby a yinya sika no free no ya nkrakra ho yi anache say ya mpe sika afri football no. I think say the regional minister and omo around the regional minister no MCs around no they have not also done something good for our Sunyani Coronation Park.
Talking
now,
of
fast forward,
okay,
you free that political line here called the sports arena, where we have the sports council.
Yeah.
Since Misa Mimi Coronation Park, I'm a ball, a kudia grow or there is revenue generated.
Great. Omoji gate fee. Gate fee.
Omoji gate proceedings.
Okay.
And the sports council no, has been taking money and has not been responsible.
All right.
Because you say, oh Jimmy Huska the ananka or the krakra me said the beya tembia no the hope camp. Now so ayadi or mujiska but we don't see. Now some other people are making me akase or Modi Rambo. And so be the chieftaincy aspect.
All right.
Because Sunyani Coronation Park and one ayewo. Enti yahimamo ne mpanyinfo opinion leaders no. At least say enya mono na mo betimi afight say yinsi mono maya ye dada na ayewo no ye was it me maintaining no.
Yes.
So all these stakeholders are mabo mudin. I think say they have not lived up to expectations. Send ye expect to omo ntumi nye bibisa MI hwenkumye Coronation Park. In a perimeter you only the same thing. We don't see any other thing. And net to date Coronation Park we say the electronic scoreboard crab
net
yes. And as an improvement and also it is not maintained.
Okay.
And I think say leaders must be called to order. They should know their responsibilities. Now, if you're taking on the duties, say the Buama improvement about Coronation Park.
All right. And means so repeat because issue you best answer the home comobium. The messing frel na ma frel obi fufuro esi so na ye discuss sasem we be. But as a person, an answer wo AFIA KOFI. What do you think we need to do as people? Ebeboa me etumi maintain Sunyani Coronation Park. Me dem mfa nko national kra. Ye Sunyani Coronation Park na ye nyina ye ho na ye di agora bepem samre no. What do you think as people we can do to maintain Sunyani Coronation Park?
A very good question. And to me, I believe it boils down to leadership. Say your leaders a bit take up responsibility. Now, Omama Yehu say this is all we have at the moment. Now, you contribute towards it. A development, beba.
Okay.
I think say there should be that leader. Obejina wakase. Me pese Sunyani Coronation Park. Eyeseni ya nemo mewekoneni. Going forward, may appreciate what Yebra Ranford Anki Egina Sunyani youth and painful a pushy kakrano.
Okay.
But me only say enye enough. And to me, you open up, even say Yahena say yen Sunyani empatamun yen to me manager. There's one culture in Ghana say when it is private managed, it is well managed.
Yeah.
But a banner say a government manager, na ye managing ye. And it's a pain for her. No one sa no moon to me pushy Emma development no ma send year now. Then they should be thinking of getting a private company almost a year ready say on betting your manage because we want the Coronation Park to be well managed.
Okay.
And that is all we look out for.
All right. If you could feel me that as a pan, I mean, sure, say about Emadek TV so, and I say a friend or G so, and repel me best from near discussing more issues concerning Sunyani and in the mantem, how we'll be able to help develop Sunyani as a town. But that's in I mean, sure, pa.
Meso me da se pa nyame nhyira obi bia otie na obi bia so a o follow up. Me den chia free Chicago e mo obi bia.
Bia beti that's it. I mean, sure.
All right.
All right. Enti AFIA KOFI and I'm no edwetwen enkomo no okasa free Chicago American pattern na owo CCA. Ono so na dwenkyere a owo efa Sunyani Coronation Park ho eno no I think say the state Sunyani Coronation Park akwakoduru no areho and if uye stakeholder na uye panyimu bia wudi ntintima yie ananse won so no okasa kwa akire ewo Sunyani na se wote ho na wo hwe Sunyani Coronation Park akodwun pempensu a ekoyi a ewo se wodi utiri ebo form na wo kase wanim agu ase because untumi ntena ho enhwe Sunyani Coronation Park ensei enye saa asa Ghana fo mpanyimfo no mo ya mamutimu aye den dodo Ghana fo as people mo ya mamutimu aye den dodo se ye ya ade ni eja ade ni si ho a enye obi asede se ade kro ne behwe ma ade na ayeyi na ehwo ene yina yekọ ekodi nkomo asemu emi njai kan na emi njai kan chena mekoso ahwa se yebe bompanyimfo na echi kopim time a ombeye ne ehia ene ne efeta me da obi bia asese ohwe Emadek team but subscribe to Emadek channel no esanse yedi nima pa bi se bibiri bebro emafo motutu kwa mo abroche ne wo mo Ghana ye na mo be discuss concerning some of these issues nyame enche obi bia mda wase bye.